couple of versions of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star for Ocarina. So many versions online. Let's see how they sound. Good place to start, isn't it? Strawberry Ocarina. 4 holes. It's only got 4 holes. The trills are mine. That's a nice little version. I think the other version's almost identical. Here we go. I nearly dropped the thing. I nearly slipped out of my hand. The trills are mine, by the way. Let's warm it up a bit. See if I get better. Does repetition make me a better player? It's just a little 4-hole ocarina. There's the 4 holes. It's got a hole underneath, but you don't cover that one. There's the mouthpiece. Does look a bit like, well, I shouldn't say, should I? There's the, yes, it's a strawberry. It's supposed to be a strawberry. Just in case you're interested in the notation. Everybody's got to start somewhere, you know. It's not a level playing field. It's not. Even if you're old as I am, you've got to start somewhere. Everybody's got to start somewhere. Did I just hear a little bird reply? As you can see, these are just finger patterns, and you just play, you sing the song in your mind and you play the finger patterns at the same time. It's not rocket science, it's fun. It's about time you too became a musician. If you aren't one, you should become one. just sing the song in your mind and you blow when you look at each finger pattern, and that's the song. It'll be getting dark soon. At least Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is not copyright. Sorry, I sound all adenoid and hay feverish, don't I? Here I go again. You're getting sleepy. How do I turn this thing off?